Need more than a bit of the pain. When you listen to your mother, oh, you're down on your rubbers. Yeah, I said you're down on your rubbers. Oh, you need a new push. Have you got no others that you can fit into? Never came to the worst I've seen. Need more than a bit of the clean. When you listen to your mother, oh, I said you're down on your rubbers. Come in for your supper, 'cause you're down on your rubbers.
Let's learn Down on Your Uppers. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Down on Your Uppers. Section 1, your weight is going to be split between both feet. We're going to twist both heels to the right and then back center, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now going to dig your right heel forward, hook your right heel over your left shin, step your right foot forward slightly into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot back slightly into the left back diagonal and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is split doing your twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine to the right, stepping your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a brush. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then brush your right foot forward. Make sure when you brush, you're only using the ball of your foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do right and left heel struts forward. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward, drop your right toe, taking weight onto your right foot. Place your left heel forward, drop your left toe, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just brushed our right. You're going to do your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to stomp our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're now going to rotate your left heel in towards the right, your left toe in, your left heel in. We're now going to stomp our left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal. You're going to rotate your right heel in, right toe in, and then you're going to stomp your right foot next to your left, splitting the weight between both feet, ready to start over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your stomp with the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to go into that twist to start the next wall. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is split, starting with your twist. So it's twist, center, heel, hook, step, touch, back, touch. Grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn, brush rocking chair, heel strut with the right, the left, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, heel, toe, stomp together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is split doing your twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is split. You're starting with your twist. So it's twist, center, heel, hook, step, touch, back, touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter, turn, brush, right rocking chair, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist, center, heel, hook, step, touch, back, touch, grapevine, grapevine quarter, turn, brush, right rocking chair, heel struts, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn down on your uppers. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.